All good. Mm-hmm. Ah. 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 Ay, ay, ay. Ah, está bueno, nada.
So I just think it's a great way to unify us right now.
We do this every year, but I think this year, today especially, just after a contentious election, I think it's a good way to unify people, bring it together.
To our veterans, again, we say thank you. Without you, there is no us. Freedom is not and never will be free.
Well, kids, we gotta understand that a lot of people lived and died for this country. And, freedom isn't free. We have to remember all the sacrifices that our brothers, sisters, grandfathers, took this home to be free.
Neil Stalver, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
President Biden and Vice President Harris paying tribute to the nation's military by laying a wreath at the tomb of the unknown soldier at Arlington National Cemetery. It was their first appearance together since the presidential election. For the last time in Arlington as Commander-in-Chief, the president thanked those in uniform who have sacrificed for the country.
For the greatest honor of my life, to lead you, to serve you, care for you, to defend you, just as you defended us, generation after generation after generation.
The president announced the expansion of healthcare services for veterans who served at military bases where toxic smoke billowed from burn pits. Biden's late son brother served in the Army National Guard and deployed to Iraq in 2008.
I mean, something killed this morning in Paramount. It happened just after 4:15 near the 710 freeway and Somerset Boulevard. When deputies arrived, they found a man who was shot in the chest. Compton fire paramedics pronounced him dead at the scene. Deputies have not made any arrests. And a decomposing body was discovered on a freeway embankment in the Hollywood Hills. CHP says it was spotted about 1:20 this morning on the southbound side of the 101 at Highland Avenue. The body located between two concrete pillars was said to be decomposed. CHP did not release the gender or age of the person or a possible cause of death.
Still had an eyewitness at 3 o'clock. A person arrested after a deadly shooting at Tuskegee University that was killed by students running for their lives. And a preview of the new state-of-the-art surgery center comes at this time for increased care to those who need it most.